Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you have problems with the AC clutch not working, AC compressor not working, and you want to know which relay is for the AC clutch, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain how we can test the relays, guys, and if your AC compressor clutch still does not work, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything, guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. Specifically, we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger right here that we'll be demonstrating on. So let me go ahead, open the hood, and we'll explain what we have here, guys. This right here is a 3.6, but even if you have a different engine, it will work as well. We have tons of videos on that car. So that right here is the fuse box. You have one notch here, one here, squish towards each other, pull, put it on the side, and you have, guys, the layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. The relay that you will need to check, guys, for the AC clutch. Before we get to it, if you want to see how to test the relays, any kind of relays, we'll put a link to a video that explains that in the description of the video below. Check it out. It's not very complicated at all, and you will be able to find out if the relays are working or not. Now, which relay you need to check for the AC clutch? It's that relay right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Relay number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That relay. That's the one for the AC clutch, guys. We will have a video how to replace the AC compressor, the AC clutch. That's the AC clutch right there. And if you want to, if your still does not work, guys, after you replace the relay, check fuses. But we'll have a special video that explains why AC clutch, why AC does not work on Dodge Challenger, and it will teach you what to look for, top reasons for that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.